Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Yuda Naryawan. I'm from Malang State Polytechnic. Here I presentation the electrical instrumentation of steam or gas turbine with power generator. Next, a steam turbine is a module to convert heat energy into mechanical energy. Thus, it is one link in the chain of energy conversion with the aim of generating electrical energy. The first known energy conversion date back to the Stone Age when humans learned to transform mechanical or chemical store energy into heat. Okay. Next, picture PLTU. In contrast to hydroelectric power plant, which can be set only where the environment with the equipment fossil for power plant have the advantage the that they can be with almost anywhere. Unlike better, the driving force of hydroelectric power plant, coal and other fossil fuel can be transported to the site where they are required. Okay, next, picture functional specification turbine. Picture turbine ini, the central part of a steam turbine is a rotor that is actuated by steam impacting again attack blade. The steam exerts force on the blade in the direction. Considering the steam as the driving force and load as a resting force, the rotor gain driving velocity as long as the driving force acts the resisting force. Okay. Uh, Next. Okay, fundamental of steam turbine. Picture steam flow turbine. The basic text of a steam turbine is to convert steam power or into mechanical power. Let me denote the steam pressure and its temperature. Then the couple P and T defines the thermodynamic state of the steam. The absolute power PS contained in steam is the product of the mass flow and the internal, which is a function of the state of the steam. Okay, feature steam flow turbine. Number one, steam generator, control valve, and condenser. Okay, next, picture with wheel and rotating wheel. Absolute velocity relative to the rotating wheel. Power transfer from steam to the rotating shaft of the turbine is carried out by leading the steam alternately torque with wheel, which is fixed to the casing and determine the direction of the steam flow, and rotating wheel, which fixed to the shaft. In the process, the internal stiff enthalpy decreases and the turbine gains torque and or velocity. Okay, next. Okay, in view of the great increase in volume during steam expansion, it is desirable to conduct to complete expansion process in a single turbine. Therefore, several steps are generally common in turbine section. Steam transition from one section to another, the opportunity to speed the steam to valve or to or more. Anyone turbine in section into high pressure, heavy in intermediate pressure, and low pressure section. Okay, next, picture turbine define to section. First section, high pressure, heavy. Second section, intermediate pressure, AP, and third section, low pressure, LP. Okay, in order to increase the efficiency of power generation, the steam may reheat after being perfectly expanded in the first turbine section. Okay, to maintain maintain pressure in the radiator, it is desirable to have another valve between the radiating section and the IP section. Okay, IP section control valve. Okay, next, picture system bypass. In some operating conditions, efficiently during start-up or load rejection, more steam might be produced than can reasonably be consumed. Uh, AP and LP. High pressure, intermediate pressure, and low pressure. Okay, next, uh, combined heat and power generation. Some steam turbines are designed to also deliver process steam. For example, for manufacturing need or public heating. These turbine types process additional steam outlet and are known as extraction turbine. In general, process steam is extracted from the IP or LP, intermediate pressure and low pressure. Okay, butterfly valve. And then butterfly valve, constant pressure requires an additional valve is commonly used to maintain pressure in front the steam extraction pipe. The depth of valve is stable for live piping. The diameter is cheaper than commonly used control valve in front of the IP and AP section. On the other hand, it cannot be controlled precisely as the other control valve. Okay, next, conversion from mechanical power into electrical power generator. The steam turbine and electrical generator are located on the same shaft. Therefore, although the conversion of mechanical power into electrical power is not an immediate function of the steam turbine, some basic of the generation of electrical current have to consider and will be discussed briefly below. Okay, next, picture mechanical energy, chemical energy, picture generator, picture gas turbine, and transmission line. Gas turbine transform the chemical energy in the fuel, in the example natural gas or the similar fuel into mechanical energy. The primitive form electrical energy normally has a low, medium or medium and level on voltage and to better manage the power loss in transmission line. Transmission line in the by step up transformer. Okay, next, gas turbine, the picture and the monitoring gas turbine instrument. As mentioned earlier, air inflow to the gas turbine truck and take the air from the contamination or having some wanted particle which can harm the system and degrade the overall performance. And the particle, the filter. Okay, the condensed air connects in turbine air compression with compressor of multi-stage of blade mounted radially on the turbine inlet shaft. The discharge pressure and temperature of their compressor are monitored to manage combustion quality at the combustion chamber. Okay, gas turbine. Picture gas turbine PT and TT is uh, sensor sensor like thermocouple. Okay, next, gas turbine instrument, monitoring in vibration monitoring. Okay, the high temperature or high pressure zone in gas turbine structure is of the highest level importance monitor and control. Okay, vibration monitoring, uh, monitor and control. Thank you very much. Uh, Thank you for watching my presentation. Sorry if there are quote and speak. Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.